my channel. Today topic is NEET, National Eligibility Government Entrance Test, Undergraduate or NEET UG. Formerly All Indian Pre-Medical Test AIPMT. In an All Indian Pre-Medical Entrance Test to student who is pursue undergraduate medical, MBBS, dental and BD and Ayush, BAMS, BUMS, BHMS, etc. In government and private institution in India and also those intending pursue primary medical qualification abroad. National Eligibility Government Entrance Test, Undergraduate, NEET UG. Type pen and paper based, developer, administrator, National Testing Agency, Central Board of Secondary Education, 2013 to 2018, National Testing Agency, 2019 to present. Knowledge skill tested, zoology, botany, chemistry and physics. Purpose: admission to undergraduate medical course in government and private college. Qualification mandatory to pursue the same abroad. Year 2013 except 2014 and 2015 when AIPMT it was conducted by instead. Presented by AIPMT. Duration 3 hours 20 minutes. Score grade range of -182 plus 720. Offer once a year. Countries, region, India. Language: Assamese, Bengali, English, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Marathi, Oriya, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. Annual number of test taker 1,38,596 2023. Fee 1,700 rupees for general candidate, 1,600 rupees for general EWS, OBC, NCL, centralist candidate, 1,000 for SC, ST, PW, third gender candidate. Qualification rate 56.21%. 2023. Website neet.nta.nic.in. As per 2013, exam is conducted by National Testing Agency (NTA), which provides result to the Director of General Healthcare Service under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, State Counseling Authority for seat allocation. NEET UG pre-placed All India Pre-Medical Test AIPMT and many other pre-medical exam conducted by state and various medical colleges. However, due to lawsuit being filed against the exam would not be held in 2014 and 15. NEET UG single entrance test admission MBBS and BDS college across the India. NEET UG one of the largest exam in India in terms of registered application. After enactment NMC Act 2019 in the September 2019, NEET UG became the sole of entrance and test admission to medical college India, including All India Institute Medical Science AIMS and Jawaharlal Institute in Postgraduate Medical Education and Research JBMER, and which is until then conducted by separate exam. History: before NEET UG was implemented, nationwide state conducted their own entrance test. Some prestigious medical colleges like AIMS, JIPMER, IMS, PHU, KMC, Manipal, Mangalore and CMC Vellore conducted their own entrance exam. NEET was initially proposed to take place on the 2012 onwards. However, several recent CBSE and medical councils in India refer to NEET by year. Test was announced by Government of India and was held by first time 5 May 2013 across India for students seeking admission or both undergraduate and postgraduate medicine. 18 July 2013, Supreme Court ruled in favor 115 petition and cancelled NEET exam and announced that MCMI could not be entrance and admission process and done by colleges. Following announcement from Medical Council India would be introduced the NEET UG exam 2012. Several states including Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Gujarat, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu strongly opposed the change of, stating there was huge variation syllabus and proposed by MCI and their state syllabi. Even though NEET 2016 conducted by English and Hindi, it was announced by student can write exam Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Bengali, Assamese and Gujarati language from 2017 onwards. Kannada and Odia language are added to list of student can write exam in 9 Indian language and English. The Supreme Court India quashed National Eligibility Government Entrance Test NEET for into all medical and dental colleges. 18 July 2013, Apex Court ruled that the Medical Council India cannot be conduct the unfeigned examination. According to 13 announcement by CBSE plan to conduct AIPMT on 4 July 2014. Final decision NEET UG was planned to taken after the verdict of Supreme Court of India. Central Board Secondary Education CBSE announced that UG merit list waiting for list and prepare the per directive of Supreme Court India. DGHS, MC and DCI results in 13 were announced on 5 June. NEET was declared illegal and unconstitutional Supreme Court of India 2013. However, it was restored by 11 April 2016 after the 5-judge constitution bench recalled the early verdict that allowed the central government and Medical Council of India MCMA implement the common entrance test until the court decided to authorize the validity. Phase 1 test 2016. All India pre-medical test, also known as AIPMT, held on 1 May 2016. Considered as a first phase of NEET. Students who registered phase 1 were given chance to appear the next phase NEET held on 4 July 2016. But it was condition was dedicated to give up the NEET first 1 and score. About it or phase are ordered to Supreme Court. Exam pattern and structure. There are total 180 questions asked in the exam. 45 questions each, physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. Each correct response fetches 4 marks and each incorrect response get -1 negative marking. Exam duration 3 hours 20 minutes, 200 minutes. Their exam 720 marks maximum mark. Since 2021, there has been significant alteration format question paper. Latest structure include the 2 sections A and B. All 4 subjects, namely physics, chemistry, botany, zoology. Section A comprises 35 mandatory questions, while B section contains 15 questions, out of which 10 questions are to be answered, leading to total 200 questions with 180 questions that can be answered. Syllabus. NEET UG syllabus consists of core concept of physics, chemistry, biology taught the class 11 and 12 prescribed by NCERT. Organizing body. National Testing Agency NTA has been made the nodal agency conducted by All India Competitive Exam conducted by NEET UG. From 2019, Central Board and Secondary Education conducted by NEET between 2013 and 2018 before the setting the NTA. Opposition. Introduction NEET was received opposition from some entities, most notably state of Tamil Nadu. Bulk of the major politician parties represent the state, including AIMDK ruling. DMK have been expressed resistance to the test multiple ground. Number of applicants by year, date of examination, number of candidates registered, number of candidates appear. Reference report 2013, 5 May 2013, 7,17,127. 6,58,040. 2014 exam not held, AIPMT held instead. 2015-16. 1 May 2016 phase 1 8 lakh plus people, 7 lakh plus attended. 24 July 2021 phase 2 2017 7 May 2017 11 90,085. 2018 6 May 2018 13 plus lakh 12 plus lakh attended. 2019 5 May 2019 15 lakh plus 14 lakh plus attended. 2020 13 September 2020 15 lakh people candidate registered, appear examination 13 lakh plus people. 2021 12 September 2021 16 lakh people registered, 15 lakh plus people appeared. 2022 17 July 2022 18 lakh people applied, 17 lakh people film appeared. 2023 7 May 2023 20 lakh people are registered, 20 lakh plus people appeared examination. Postponed and delayed by 2020 2021 2022 because of COVID-19 pandemic. Exam cutoff category minimum qualifying percentage as of 2019 unreserved UR 50th percentage, unreserved PH UR PH 45 percentage of scheduled caste SC, 40th percentage of ST for 40th percentage and other backward class OBC 40th percentage, SC PH 40th percentage, ST PH 40th percentage and OBC PH 40th percentage. Colleges as per the order Supreme Court and NMC Act 2019, single medical entrance exam conducted by all over India. Admission into medical and dental colleges and university will not be able to conduct their own medical entrance exam and will be accepted student based on all India's rank obtained by NEET UG. After declaration of the result, all India rank AR allotted to each candidate merited released under national medical colleges and commission conducted by counseling of allotment seat according to the merit and candidate. Just 15% of seat state and central institute of deemed university. Counseling remaining 85% of state court and seat of private college is done by the medical board of respective state and state prepare merit list of basis NEET UG result. Total number of seat offered by NEET as 2022 1,77,126 and 1,06,333 for MBBS and 21,768 and BDS of 50,720 of Ayush and 125 for BVS and college number of seat offer MBS college 1,06,333 and BDS college 27,868 Ayush college 50,720 and BVS college 520 all cases 1,77,076.